And welcome to this video on the topic of kinematics. See, in kinematics, one of the techniques which is used is the technique of differentiation. If you're given a equation which is position time equation, you take derivative, you can find the instantaneous velocity. Now the problem is most of the students when they enter class 11th, they are used to the concept of motion in x-axis only. But in class 11th, there is a change. The motion can be in x-axis and y-axis simultaneously. Now, the equation of position time graph for x-axis is given separately. The equation for position time for y-axis is given separately. And so you must, do these questions. You can see one on the screen with the imagination that motion is no longer in x-axis. That was 9th standard. 11th standard, the motion can be x-axis, y-axis and z-axis also. It can be a three-dimensional motion. So you can cover the displacement, for example, in x-axis, y-axis and z-axis. In reality, you never move from your home to market in x-axis, right? You have x and y-axis both involved. So these numericals, the only thing you must understand apart from the technique of differentiation is the fact that motion is now in x and y both. You take derivative twice, you get two velocities, one in x, the other in y. Now it's about Pythagoras theorem. Make a triangle and calculate the hypotenuse, right? Under root of vx square plus vy square. To find the direction of the resultant, use the knowledge of triangle. Tan beta is equal to perpendicular upon base, and that will bring an end to these things. Remember, imagine the motion as just not x-axis but x, y, z. When I say motion, I mean position, I mean velocity, I mean acceleration. Each of the physical quantity can be in all the three axes now. You're in class 11th, no longer in class 9th standard. Thank you very much.